Yo, 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 yo. Good morning. Okay, so it's 14th of June and it is currently 8:41 a.m. and I have to make a 4-hour train journey from like mine to Stratford upon Avon, if you know where that is in the UK, to do a 5-day intense training for my new job. So I'm pretty excited. Today's gonna be a long day. I'm gonna take you along on the journey, you know. Maybe try and get a few videos done as well whilst I'm up there. That'll be great. Yeah, so I've noticed that with the mic on this phone, it's very, very quiet. So I'm currently looking at the screen because, you know, it's a habit. So I've just got my headphones in to see if that makes any difference. We shall see. So yeah, excuse looking like rough as fuck. Yeah, I need a shower, I need to get ready, I need to finish packing. Like literally, my bed is literally there. Yeah, I need to get ready, go and see my friends before I go. But yeah, nice long journey. I'm literally like in a coach by myself. Let's go. Almost there. Literally got a couple more stops to go and then it's my stop. And then like a half an hour bus ride to where I'm staying. I cannot wait. It's so nice outside.
Good evening, everyone.
Okay, so I am actually here in my hotel room. Well, it's like an inn, so it's a restaurant, but it's got like 34 ensuite rooms. And it's actually really, really nice. So I'm going to give you a room tour. So, you come in through the door. Yeah. And to the right of it, you got the ensuite bathroom. I've not actually had a look in here. So, yeah. It's actually pretty base. Pretty nice. Oh, it's actually quite big. It's actually quite big. Okay. I'm actually pretty impressed. And you come out. And then you've got some storage, which I actually quite like. And then come in here and you've got like your bed, nice double bed. Your TV up there. Look at this big ass mirror. I'm gonna love all this. I'm gonna love the selfies I take. And this, oh, this is just so pretty. Like literally, oh my god. I want. But yeah. It is currently, what, like almost 7 o'clock, and we have like a free main meal, like between 5 and 6. So I chose the curry because you know that I all like curry. So I'm probably just going to take off my shoes, chill for a bit, and yeah, I'm gonna love this. It's actually really, really nice. I'm literally on the ground floor, so I've got like the car park. And there's like another mirror there. There's a desk. I absolutely love it. There's lots of storage. And this is going to be my place to stay for the next 5 nights. No, sorry, 4 nights. But yeah. Yo! Okay, so it's actually quite early in the morning. And slept like a baby last night. I think it was like 13 hours I slept. I was clearly that tired. But yeah. OOTD, I might change this, I don't know, because it's quite hot outside. But yeah. CG's boohoo, by the way. Love it. But yeah, day 1 of training is starting like a few hours, so plenty of time to do whatever. Probably just chill for a bit. I cannot wait. So I have been requested to record, like, vlog this, so I'm going to. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I've got my purpose little backpack. I'm only using it just so I can go and get some stuff from Tesco's, which is literally like right around the corner, which is like handy. So yeah, I've got a little key, and yeah, so I've got like a little pop sock on the back of my phone, which actually comes in handy. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna go and get. I need to get some like shampoo and conditioner. Just get like a small bottle if I can, and then like some shower gel, and then maybe something for lunch. I believe dinner here is free because they're meant to do breakfast, but obviously because like where I'm staying, because it's a pub, it's actually shut to like public, except for us key workers. But yeah, we shall have a look. Okay, so again, you're not going to be able to actually see me. But like the people around here are so nice, like 2 elderly like women walking their dogs and like walked past and said hello. Like, it's so nice. And again, like an elderly couple. Yeah, I know you can't actually see me, but you know, it's just so nice up there. Like, it's quiet, it's in like a little town, and you know, it's literally like a bus ride to the city. Love it. Like, literally, look how beautiful it is. Okay, so I went a bit too far up like the field and kind of went to the other side. So it's actually really, really nice out here. Like, it's just so beautiful, and it's just so nice out today. Very little breeze, but it's just so nice. But yeah, like, I don't know why, like, the park's taped off. I would assume to stop people from going on there due to like the corona and stuff like that. But I don't know. Like, literally, if you can see like the red and white tape, yeah. But yeah, what I'm going to do now is I go back to my hotel room. It's not really a hotel, it's like an inn, but it's like a hotel room, so I'm just going to go back to my room and probably just sit and chill for a bit. There's literally like no one around. Well, there is, like some of the kids and stuff. What's off to the side? So you can't see, but like, yeah, that little river. It's so nice. But yeah, like obviously my anxiety started playing up yesterday, but like I'll go into like more detail of that like when I'm back into the room. But for now, I'm just going to enjoy my walk back. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. So I've decided to have a quick shower before going to my training. Kind of forgot a little bit by then. Kind of forgot for a sec. Oh, it's absolutely nice outside, and I cannot wait to be back outside in it. But yeah, I've got my energy drink because, you know, I've got to stay awake. And I can't wait for tonight. Got my chicken curry, which I'm so looking forward to it, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I'll be getting ready soon, so if I've not spoken before that, I'll see you guys later. Yo. So a little update. First day of training has gone really well. I'm now back at the hotel, well, the place where I'm staying, and it just gets better. I'm just currently eating some food. I had a Chinese chicken curry with rice and chips. Oh, my arm just clicked. Yeah, we've got a nice early start tomorrow, so that's entertaining. But yeah, I don't know what else to say except for it's going well. I love it, and I can tell that I'm going to really like this job. Although I've done like live-in care before, obviously with a completely different company. Yeah, this one just sounds so good. And yeah, it's nice to get away for a few days, not gonna lie. Own room, just peace and quiet. And yeah, it's like a small group of us anyway, it's like 5 of us in total. So it's not too bad. But yeah, I will catch you guys later. Yeah, so it's the next morning. Literally I've been awake for like an hour or so. Like it's literally like, I think it's like 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, what I'm going to do is end the video here because I don't want to make it too long. Yeah, you know, so I'm not going to make it too long. So if you have enjoyed this video so far, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.